This video is recorded for LB user only, and first of all you go to easyfixlab.com/laptop and go to LB++ features and payment in details. So when it open, you read it all the instruction, and here you can see standard version first, then you can click upgrade in any desired plan. So LB153 it's upgrade as a LB++, but if you want to these features, so you can also update with the small amount of this particular label. So existing user which want to LB activation without updating anything, but they want to LB standard label. So first of all you go to LB folder and run this lb++.exe file. When you run, so first time lb++.exe will open the key generator, and here you just put your full information like this is my Aries laptop is my user. So everyone please keep carefully fill all this field. Now fill country, your email ID, here is a membership name. Membership name means your name and your phone number, your company name. Now you need these two key, transaction ID or secret key, but you are LB user, you are not a new user, so you doesn't need to fill this form, this transaction ID, but you need secret key. So how did you get secret key? So first of all you go to LB forum, go to home page. Now go to technical support ticket, and here you make one thread LB++ activation secret key and write here when you post this thread, admin will be check this your thread, and he will be giving you one secret key. When you get the secret key, then you paste it in this field, and when you put this secret key, you just click on generate key. If accidentally you generated a key without this secret key or transaction ID, so what will happen? You can see here. So without secret key, your license created successfully. We review it now. Please try run software after 10 to 20 minutes. But this software will not run because of you are not putting your secret key. So when you click again, this key generator also not showing you key generator. So what to do in this case? You just delete this hpwkey file.ini. Delete it, and again you run lb++.exe. So again this screen will be appear. So whenever you make any mistake, like if you generated key without the secret key and you did not get key generator this Windows option, so you have to delete hpwkey file and again you fill the form, and this time you have to put secret key which admin will provide you in EasyFix Lab forum. I hope you can understand. If you have any query, so you can you will write on LB user only group.